Hello everyone, I'm Pratiksha and welcome back to Garden Vibes. Money plant is my all-time favorite plant and I love to discuss and talk about money plants. They are easy to care and low maintenance. Money plant is available in different type, different size, shape and we can easily propagate them in water or in soil. And we could decorate our home with these greens by different methods, by planting them in hanging basket, in railing planters, or with to adding vertical greenery we can grow them with moss stick. So there are different methods to decorate our home by using these money plants. Once you buy money plant from the nursery, then there is no need to buy it again from the nursery. You can make number of babies from one single money plant if you propagate them correctly and if you provide appropriate condition around the plant. So in today's video I will be showing how to propagate money plant correctly in two different ways, in soil method and in water method. So let's propagate money plant with me. Money plant is propagated by two different methods. One in soil propagation method and second water propagation method. But for two methods we need to take healthy and proper cutting from the plant. Growing money plant in water is super easy and fun. So guys, I am going to use cutting from this vine. You can see it's growing thin and leggy. So if I make cut here, again new branch will start from here and again it will look bushy. These tiny brown spots are the nodes from where new growth, new leaves or roots will emerge. Always take one or two nodes with the cuttings. Length of the cutting for water propagation is actually depend on the size of the vessel in which you are going to put your money plant cuttings. You can use plastic or glass bottle or jars or glass of water or old unused electric bulbs. They actually look super cute in electric bulbs. Before putting the cutting in water, remove the lower leaves and put the cuttings in a container. Keep at least one node below the water level. And that's it. Now keep your plant container near bright light. If you keep your container in low light area, there might be chances of yellowing of the leaves. And within a week, you will notice beautiful new root formation near the node. Keep the changing water every week and also gently wash the lower part of the stem and new root with your finger. Frequently add new fresh tap water because fresh water contains oxygen and many nutrients which are essential for the growth of the cutting, and also maintain the water level, otherwise the cutting will start yellowing or drying. I want to show you this money plants cutting which I actually propagated in water. Probably 2 months before I started these cuttings in water. You might have seen these cuttings in my DIY project video, and now you can see these roots, how vigorously they have grown without any fertilizer or anything, only in fresh water. So once the roots are strong or 2 to 3 inches long, you can transfer these cuttings in soil, or if you want you can keep this money plant in water. But if you want fast growth of your plant, then I would suggest transfer your cuttings in soil, because water doesn't contain all the nutrients that plant needs to grow. So now I am going to transfer this cutting from water to soil. For potting mix, I am using 1 part of garden soil and 1 part of coco peat. Money plants love little bit moisture in their potting mix, and they are kind of aquatic plant. So I would suggest use coco peat in potting mix. It helps to retain moisture for long time and also some air space in soil. And also you can add little compost for the nutrient supply. Whenever you transplant, you are cutting from water to soil. Always do in semi-shade area, not in direct sunlight. And I am going to plant all these 4 cuttings in this same pot, because when we shift cuttings from water to the soil, there are chances that cuttings might get little shock because of sudden change in environment and sudden change in moisture level. So some cuttings can survive and grow while some other cuttings are not. So I would suggest always plant several cuttings in one pot. For initial days, keep the soil moist and add water frequently. Once they are adjusted to the environment and started growing, then you can increase the water interval. So this is how it looks, bushy and compact by planting many cuttings in one pot. This is also one trick to grow bushy and compact money plant by planting many cuttings in one pot. So for soil propagation method, taking cutting from this vine, so I am taking one node with each cutting. This we don't want. So from one branch we have now 5 cuttings that we are going to use for soil propagation method. Take medium size pot. Have taken 8-inch feet pot and fill the pot with well drained soil, 1 part of garden soil and 1 part of coco peat with some manure in it. And don't forget to check the drain holes at the bottom for proper drainage and air circulation. Now make some holes to put the cuttings. You have to insert this node part in soil. Keep the container in semi-shade area or in direct light. As I told you, at initial stage, water well. Once the roots are formed, then it will grow faster. Then no need to water it frequently. The money plant growing in soil doesn't need too much water. I water my money plant once or twice in a week, depends on weather condition. This money plant is propagated by soil propagation method probably 3 months ago at the time of money plant care video, and now you can see its growth. Started with actually 3 cuttings, but 2 cuttings have survived, so it's better to start with many cuttings than 1 cutting. So guys, this is how easily you can propagate money plant at your home by soil propagation method or water propagation method. You can make number of money plant babies from one money plant at your home. Actually, both are simple and easy methods. The difference is that if you place cuttings in water, the root develop faster and you can check the root formation. In potting mix, it takes a little more time. So first you can start propagation in water. Once the root form, you can transfer your cuttings from water to the soil. That's it for today's video, friends. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram account, where I am sharing interesting plant images and some interesting tips on how to take care of your plants on regular basis. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy gardening.